Sapi.
Ganito pala maging isang Pilipino. I mean, Filipino. Filipino? What's your favorite food?
Paksiw. Inom tayo ng globe.
Today we're going to be looking at and also testing Get ready, it's spooky. Yep, that's pretty normal, I would say. There you go. What do I freaking get? Because we got carrots and roasters as well. Wait, this is yeah. Here's your carrot.
Ito guys, kala mo bulok na pero ano pa rin yan. Maganda pa rin sa loob.
About this guy. My house is sick. I don't know what money to buy the carrot cake that makes it feel better.
It's it.
Yes! Yes! They applied this one to the big one. This one's worth 250 billion now. Let's freaking go! Thank you, Discopies. Honestly, before we grow old, I think I'm just gonna go back to the mooncat method for mooncat.
Tama na mata. Dalam.
Hinunap sa camera ang 16 anyos na biktima na isang grade 11 student. Pero kwento niya, hindi raw niya kakilala ang
Ampal,
lalaking
dami ng dugo.
dito mismo sa aking kinatatayuan. Pinilit lang daw siyang kumiti ng
It's it guys. Ayan. Pampapigsa. Pamigsa. Ito po. Meron tayong olive seed. Ayan. May egg. Meron tayong kamote. May kangkong yan halo. Meron tayo ditong peras, lemon. Native lemon siguro yan. Kamates. Saka may sprinkling with sesame, flaxseed. Flaxseed yun guys. Saka mayroong olive oil. Oh, yan. Let's eat now. Ulam for today. Ayan. Meron siyang quinoa. May mushroom. Tenga ng daga daw tawag dyan guys. Mushroom. May papaya. Spinach. Ito ng sili. Meron rin tayong itlog. Fried chicken soup. Guys. Soup. Para siyang arroz caldo kasi meron siyang quinoa. Quinoa lang tawag dito. Meron tayong papaya doon. Meron tayo dito ng ano tawag dito. Chia seed. Chia seed guys. Naglagay ako dito. Chia seed. Nagnan natin pagkatapos natin kumain. So, let's dig in. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Let's eat, guys. Belly salmon. Yan. with patata. Yummy. Okay. Let's eat, guys. Tofu and chismas with egg, tomato with egg. Where I am amazing barley. Di yan nawawala, guys. Yan ating. So, kain na tayo. Meron tayong gamot. Let's eat. Meron tayo dyan. Alright. Thank you, Lord. It's saging daw ng unggoy to. Saging ng unggoy.
TikToker, posting this crazy shit. He pretty much wears like a mask to make him look like a child. Wears boys' clothing. Yo, it's straight up nightmare fuel. It's like it's dark web content, but it's on TikTok.
What is that?
It's a guy.
So
He's like
scary.
middle aged, and what he does, he lurks around elementary schools.
Soup of the day. Guys. Mais con tofu. With vegetables. Na-blend yan, guys. Blend ko yan. Yummy. Let's dig in. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Let's eat. Let's eat. Miracle fruits. Laki mo. Miracle fruits.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe just a glitch or something. Yeah, it's not working, but. So you're not scared? I mean, why would you be scared? I don't know why you would be scared, because I'm not pranking you or anything. What? What are you talking about, man? Oh, you're doing that nervous thing. Hold on.
Tulayaan.
Ulit naman. Wala yatang internet. Ulit naman naman.
W D. What would Wednesday do?
That's my line, you little psycho!
Right, is that my
They can just not touch the green button. No, they're running
Teacher.
straight into it. The only thing they have to do is get to diamond and just avoid green. that's it. Okay, you guys are not smart, bro. I will kill you.
Fiber yan, guys.
It's too late for second chances. Okay, you're dead. You stay in the corner. That's right. Now you just have to stay there forever. Enjoy your new life. Bro, you're dead. You got nowhere to go. Bro, still
See?
not dead. Where did you have
Till the end, I've got something special.
You came at a bad time, but you just was a lie. You wanna get wild, okay, I'll show you wild. Let it come right, better luck, try and get into a level, cause you might die. Never done time, wanna start a better.
It's not that easy. My life is absolutely terrible. I don't know what to do.
Appearance is very important nowadays. That's just how it is, sadly. But with all due respect, you should start looks waxing. Losing weight and taking care of yourself will really help. Okay, I have to go.
Saluyot. Fresh gulay. Fresh gulay. Oh. Fresh from the bakod. Yan, spinach, organic spinach. Malunggay. Oh.
May talbos
Yay.
ng kobe.
Talbos. Talbos ng, ano to? Anong talbos ito?
Kobe.
Kobe. Saluyot. Ano sa doon? Alokbate. Yan. Labrao. Yan, gulay ang ulam natin ngayon.
Cavite, Guate.
Salmon. Salmon belly. Ayun yung ano. Yung omega 3. Let's eat gulay. Gulay is life. Yummy.
I should not let out. When it comes to